Hello everyone, I'm excited to tour you in our hometown, Barangay Buyo, Goa Cameron Sur, where you can locate the beauty of our barangay, but not just the beauty of our barangay, but also the beautiful nature spot that you can find here. So first, I would like to introduce my team, and the first one is...
Hi, I'm Hot Jan Vincent Frutas. So I am the cameraman of this group. Zoom in, zoom out. So the next one is...
Hello everyone, I'm Raymart Arce and I'm one of the speaker of this group.
Hi, my name is Dominic G. Blance and I am the set organizer of this group.
Oh, hello everyone, my name is Giancarlo Mendoza,
And I'm Christian Buslao, and we are
the editor of this group.
So why does we choose nature trip for our vlog? Because nature trips are essential for improving mental health and reducing stress. And it allows individuals to disconnect from urban pressures and reconnect with calming natural rejuvenation.
So before reaching the Rangas River, it will take a few minutes, so let's go and start this adventure.
Nature's silence speak louder than life chaos.
Immerse in nature has been scientifically proven to decrease cortisol levels, alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Rangas River. So in here you can relax and enjoy the wind and also the fresh water that is flowing here. Sa gilid, maraming mga tao ang pumupunta rito sa ilog na ito. Hindi lang kasi malamig na tubig ang makukuha mo dito, kundi pati ang mga magagandang tanawin. We choose the Rangas River as a main topic of our vlog because we are one of those people who relieve our stress in Rangas River by watching the beautiful nature and also by feeling the fresh water that is flowing here.
Going to a nature trip like going to Rangas River is the most fun outdoor recreational activity that an individual